Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Now let's get started with few question and answer related to SMS Courier Form that I have received in my earlier video. I'll add that video in the link as well. Now let's get started. First question, where to get this form? This form will be sent by VFS team via email as an attachment when booking for two-way courier. Normally when you book for two-way courier, there are few steps. At the very end stage you will get that form along with few other document like VFS Canada consent form and everything, and you have to put everything in a envelope and send it for your stamping. What address should be there in address field? It should be the one from her passport will be picked up and received later after visa stamping. I'm living in a different address than passport address. Will that create any problem? That will not create any problem. You must fill the address in SMS courier form where the passport will be delivered. For me, my wife had same scenario and it went smoothly. Can I have different address in two-way courier form and SMS courier form? Practically yes. Your passport will be picked up as per the address given while you have filled up in two-way courier, and your passport will be received at the location which you have filled up as per address provided in SMS courier form. But try to avoid this scenario. Shall I opt for SMS service at any point of time during my Canada visa process? Honestly, say not required. Whatever it is coming in your SMS, it should receive by email. Thus, keep checking your mailbox, and you normally do when you made any application. My kid, in case individual traveling with family, is very small. He or she doesn't know how to read and write, how to fill SMS or courier form for him or her. This is a major problem I have seen in most of the cases. Now, let me tell you, primary applicant can fill this on behalf of kid. In the signature area, also primary applicant can sign this, print his name, his or her, and write the relation like father or mother beside in a first bracket. Now, for the I have written primary application. It should be primary applicant. Sorry for this. Now, thank you for viewing my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care, and I will see you with a new video. Thank you.